I teach a class on business process management to undergraduate and graduate students. And in the course, we learn about how to manage and improve business processes in an organization. And my students actually learn concepts through a business process management life cycle. They learn the phases that are involved with improving a process. And each phase, they learn about methods and techniques on how to conduct that phase in an organization. Something that's interesting that we do is that we work with a client every semester. The students have a semester-long project that they work with a client, and after each phase where they learn the concepts of how to conduct that phase, they then will work with the client, a hands-on experience on applying those concepts in a real-life scenario. I think this project is very innovative in the fact that a client works with the students throughout the entire semester. They meet with the students in the classroom at least 3 times. The students also have an opportunity to tour the facility. We've worked with various types of clients. We've worked with companies such as Arnold Packaging, Maryland Food Bank, Fleet Management Company. We've also had internal clients, which are different departments within Towson University. We worked with the Graduate Admissions Department, as well as the College of Business and Economics Academic Advising. The students actually have the ability to interview and talk with the different process participants in each one of those processes. They tour the facility, they're able to discover about the process, they're able to analyze the process and investigate what the issues are, identify what the weaknesses are, and then they're able to go through the redesign process of being able to brainstorm and find creative solutions to then be able to propose to the client at the end of the semester. They're really working and understanding how it is to interact with a client and to see the different challenges along the way that they may not get from me just explaining to them what the challenge is or what the issues may be, or how the methods might be useful in different process improvement projects. So the students have responded in such a positive manner. Many students have wanted to actually move into this area as a career path. One student was able to get a promotion very quickly because she had come into an organization and knew how to do process improvement. Process improvement is usually geared towards very experienced employees in an organization. I think it's really an important feature for students coming out of college to have this idea of what a business process is, how to improve a business process, to see how optimizing it can really impact an organization in a positive and productive manner. And so when they come in knowing that, they're able to be really impactful to an organization. And so they're actually able to talk to in interviews about something that they've done where there's real hands-on experience. Students have also responded very well in the fact that they've worked with different clients, from CEOs to presidents to managers to employees of various levels. And so that's really important for students as well, because they need to understand what it's like when you're working on a project to work with various levels.